Hey everyone, welcome back to Chart Stoppers. In this channel we will take a look at different stocks and map out their key support and resistance areas on the chart. It's important to know these areas before you buy any stock, and it's also important to know what kind of a trend a stock is on before you buy into it. Support and resistance is one of the most important things you can know about a stock before you buy or sell it. Also, if you're doing any day trading, swing trading, or options, you're definitely going to want to get familiar with support and resistance. Just to let you know, I'm not a financial expert. This video is for educational purposes only, but I am here to point out key factors on the charts which do impact price action of a stock. Okay, so before I get into the chart, I would just want to let you guys know we will be doing 3 videos per week on 3 different stocks. So if you have any recommendations for a video, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll go with your recommendations, do a video on a stock that you guys want to see. If you're having trouble finding those support areas or resistance and you need any help, let me know. I'll do a video on it and I'll help you out. Okay? Also hit the notification bell so you can know when every new video comes out and you don't miss any videos. Okay? Also, I provided a link in the description for Webull. You can use it to start an account and get 2 free stocks. You're going to want to do that. I am going to be using Webull's brokerage account today and using their charts, so you can get familiar with that also by watching these videos and learn how to use their software. Okay, so let's get into the chart. Today we're going to be looking at Apple. It's currently trading at $126.60 after today. Today is January 6, 2021. And the first thing I like to do when I'm mapping these support and resistance areas out is I like to start at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to go up here to drawings, click on horizontal line, and what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to go down here, and basically when you're mapping out your support and resistance, you're going to want to try to find consolidation in specific time zones where you can connect at least the top or bottom of 3 different candles. Okay, so let me zoom in here a little bit in this area around $80 where I can see some consolidation right here. And that looks like we had some resistance at the $80 mark. So I'm going to go ahead and put a line right here. I can see, let me just throw my line in and then we'll go in there. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, as you can see right here, I can connect my line through the top of this candle, the top of that one, and the bottom of that one. So I already have 3 points where I'm connecting, and I'm also hitting the bottom of this candle. So that's actually a very good starting point for me to start at. Very good support right there to start from as we work our way up. So let's go up from there. We're going to find some resistance coming off of that. And actually, there wasn't really any resistance coming off of this for Apple. After it blew through the $80, it kind of just went all the way up to the all-time high. There wasn't really any price rejections coming up here. As you follow the line with me, I mean, look at this. It just went pretty much almost straight up to the high right here, which is where we're going to put our top line. So we're kind of going to do this a little bit different here. We're actually going to go to the top right here and just connect these 2 for our top. and we're just going to top this thing out right here at 138, it looks like. Throw a line right there because we're connecting these two candles for our top. And that's just going to top out our chart right here. So we got our bottom and our top. And we're going to go ahead and fill in the rest in between. So let's see here. Coming down, I'm gonna go back to my horizontal line, grab that, and as I come down, I can see right here at about 110 is where it came off this high, bounced down, hit this 110, and it got rejected from the 110 and bounced back up, came back down, and it got rejected again. So I know I have support in here at 110. So I'm going to zoom in, draw my line, 110. Let's see if I got connections. Let me move it up a little bit. Try to get as close to 110 as I can. I'm trying to be as accurate as I can, but you know, it doesn't always land exactly where you want to put it. But yeah, I got, you know, pretty good connections right here. I'm right there, 1. You could call that 2 if I move it a little bit. 3 and 4 right here. You know, that's really good support right there. So you had the $80 support here, and then coming up here, this is your new support, resistance up here, dropping down to support, and you actually have some price action in here. So we're going to go ahead, grab another horizontal line and see what's going on up in here. As you can see, it bounced up here. This looks like 125. No, we're going to go to 120. We're going to go to 120. And I'm thinking I can draw that right here. Yeah, just around 120. I'm going to put another line there, get that out of there. And I got 1, 2, 3, and 4, almost 5 connections in here. So that's really good coming off of this 110. A little bit of resistance right here at 120. You know, came up, bouncing off of this 110, came up, got rejected, selling pressure came in, bounced it back down. That's when the buying came in. Blew it all the way back up. 120, got rejected again, came back down, didn't make it down to 110, and then it finally blew through the 120, and it came up, hit that all-time high, 138.79. That's where we connected our top, and it bounced back off of it right here. So that's about all I can see for support and resistance on this. I mean, let's see here. You could almost draw another one right here. At the 125 mark. There's a little bit of price action in here. If I put a line there, you could see I'm connecting 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 connections there with my line. So I guess it did kind of, you know, come up here in between 120 and 125 before. Over here, I don't know. But over here, I guess it had, you know, it did bounce off that 125, come back down, and then finally blow through. And now it's kind of making its way down. So it's probably, you know, I'm expecting it, you know, it closed at 126. I'm not expecting it to go any lower than 125 over here. It's probably going to hit this and then bounce back up. And then up here, you know, once this gets broken through up at 138, this is going to be, of course, once a support area gets broken through, that becomes, once a resistance area gets broken through, that's going to be your new support area. So, if it does happen to break through 138 here, that's going to be your new support for another all-time high. You're probably looking at 145 area. You got all this up here because, you got in between 138 and 140. I don't think it's going to stop there. It's probably going to go up to 145, somewhere in between there for a new all-time high. And then your support will be down here around the 140, 138 area. So that's it. Looking at our chart, looks pretty good. I like it. Pretty strong support and resistance areas on Apple. It's a strong stock. Everybody loves Apple stock. It goes up. No problems with it. Great company. Great company to invest in. A lot of people hold it in their portfolio. So hope this video helps a lot of people. If you were having trouble finding these areas, this will definitely help you if you're looking to if you're thinking about buying this stock. It should help you decide on what price you're going to want to buy it at. Right now, if you're looking at it, thinking about buying it, it's definitely in a buying zone, I would say. If you zoom in here, if it's coming down to this support area, and if it doesn't drop below 125, you have support here, so it's not going to drop. It's not going to go below that. So if you are looking to buy this stock right now, you're definitely in a buying zone rather than up here. You have resistance, so you're not going to want to buy up here until it breaks that all-time high and breaks through that resistance area. So it'd be smarter to buy it down here, and then you have all this area, to gain, instead of buying up here and have all this area, as downward pressure. Okay, so that's the idea of this channel, is just to help people, with stuff like this, and give you ideas on when you should be looking to buy or sell your stock. So like I said, we're going to be doing different videos on different stocks just like this, mapping out the areas of support and resistance. So I hope you guys like this. Be sure to be on the lookout for more videos. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time on Chart Stoppers.